Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I want to show you this gadget that I got. I think it's worth the money. My new gadget. Cleaning gadget. It's called the IRobot i4, and it's pretty cool. It really picks up the particles, and it goes from different floor types to different floor types. It's really worth the money for somebody's Christmas gift. Look at that. Pretty cool. Floor type to floor type. And it remembers where it last went. See? And it's going to complete that task. Pretty cool. Hey, look at that. Technology. I recommend it. I surely recommend this device. It has some little flaws to it, but I recommend it. It can pick up little things, like if it's extra small and it's hard to pick up. For example, see on my hand that little piece of focus. See on my hand that little piece of thing? It was hard for it to pick up. But other than that, it does a great job. I surely recommend this device. Surely recommend it. See? And then I could leave it alone and it could do its thing, and I could go do other chores. That stuff gonna fall down there because I pushed it just now. And the thing is, it remembers where it last went. And it tried to complete a task. See, you know, it left that there, so you had to go finish it. Then it will come back. Then see, it will come back right to the line where it left off. You'll remember where that. Yeah, pretty cool. Look at that. Pretty cool. All right. I recommend getting it for somebody's Christmas gift. For the females in your house. This is the life, the Roomba cleaning. Doing its thing. And it's very good. It's cleaning good. And very smart. I was cleaning the kitchen. I had to come sit and watch it. Fascinated with it. Look at it. This thing while Alvin watching the game, and I'm cleaning up, but sitting down watching the Roomba for a little bit. Pretty cool. All floor types. Okay. Okay. Pretty cool. Works on all floor types and it senses where it needs to go. I think it's worth the money. I could be doing something else while this is cleaning. Alright guys, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, comment.